Alright everyone, it is April 3rd, 2014. Got the tornado sirens ringing, and these aren't just a test. Oh, there went some lightning. We got a big storm coming. Let me actually show you something. The air conditioners are running right now. Go ahead, show this off real quick. This is my air conditioner running. I thought you might like to see that, because I am an air conditioner fan. And these are real tornado sirens ringing. This is just a practice.
Everybody's outside.
Yep, everyone's outside. It's can clearly tell.
I'm gonna go turn on the TV.
You can hear our air conditioner running. Look at the clouds moving. I don't know how well you can see them, but we've got a tornado touching the ground in Denton right now. Denton, Texas. Oh, I know it's McKinney, but the tornadoes are in Denton, right?
No, there must be one in McKinney if our sirens are going off. They're not gonna do sirens if one's in Denton, babe.
Oh, okay. Well, we got a tornado touching the ground in McKinney, Texas. Ooh, look, I think my phone might be forming it. Nah. You know what is that one up there? See, everyone's outside. There's TM Brandish. There's TM Brandish right there.
Everybody's outside.
This is good footage. I think this is probably the best storm video I've had uploaded to my YouTube channel. Go get one last look at the air conditioner. This is a better look at our York air conditioner. There's the line set and the disconnect box. There's the Guardian, which is a replacement. Alright, I'm going inside now, because I think a tornado might be coming, so. Alright, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Look at those clouds.
Look at your feet, buddy.
I know.
We're gonna get a tornado in here?
I don't know, there's TM Brandish. What do you think about this, TM Brandish?
I don't think much of it.
Yeah.
I like the rain, what little we're getting.
Yeah. But those do look like tornado clouds, definitely.
I think everything's coming from this way.
Yep, alright, that's it.
I wouldn't worry too much.